I realized something after I finished making the video that it's the wrong color. Let me share my screen. So I rendered the video out and I can tell what's wrong. The background is black. But if I want to use this on other videos, I don't want a black rectangle with the logo on it. I want it to be transparent. So I'm going to have to do something to chroma key the black part out. And let me jump into Final Cut to show what that will look like. And here we go. So I don't think I have to worry too much about the GIF itself because that's already transparent. It's like, well, this is technically transparent, but what we actually need is a generator screen with a specific color on it. That way, when we drop into other videos, we can easily chroma color it out. Wait, oh, these are titles. I don't want titles. I want generators. Here we go, generators. Solids. I could just use this. I don't like the color, so I'm gonna use custom. And actually I need to have this below everything. I need to have that layer in the back. And let's go ahead and change the color. There's no easy way to do that, huh? Oh, here we go. I'll just blast the green up. And of course, I have those white spots within the letters. I didn't want to bother with it when I was creating the alpha in Pages, so I'm not going to worry about it here. But this is what we have. And now we can export it like that. And I'll show an example later after I render this out. I'm back. I totally forgot to add captions. You kind of have to remember to do that each time you start up the recording, otherwise you won't get the transcript. Thankfully, there are other programs that will let you do transcripts, but it's kind of nice to just take advantage of the features you already pay for, you know? What am I doing? Okay. I'm showing the render. Okay. It rendered out pretty quickly. Okay, so this was the one that we had before. And this is after the green screen. And now what I actually can do is, well, I'm gonna copy and paste right here. Just so I have both versions for the project, but I'm gonna highlight all of this and turn it into a compound clip. A green screen clip there. That way, it's easy for me to just copy, but also it'll be in my library as a clip. I could just drag and drop something in. Let's flip another. This is what I was originally working on. Just get rid of that. I don't need it anymore. I'm going to drag and drop that compound clip in to my new project. But I need something else. You're right back. How do I pause? Pause recording. All right, I'm back, and I realized I'm gonna name this something else because it's not that anymore. So here we go. This is actually the main clip. Let me move this underneath. Okay. And what I need to do is resize. Let's go ahead, go transform. Size. Oh, did not mean to do that. Let's scale it down a bit. Clearly you can see this was another Zoom video, but let's just it's here for now. Then we could go to our effects. We clicked on here. Oh, I don't remember what it's called. It's a Chroma Key, no, or keyer. There we go. Just drag and drop that effect on here, and we can see that I mostly figured out what to do. I have a little edge going on there, and don't really want to think about it too much. So I'm just gonna crop this away from the edge. Actually, I don't want to use crop. I want to use, okay, I want to use trim. I want to trim the edges. There we go. We have our clean little logo there. That moves. Ta-da! And that's it. That's how we make our own label. And try not to play my own video so it ends up on the new video. But that's it. If you have questions, go ahead and hit me up in the chat.